Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Gavin Wood made multi-chain NFTs a reality on Polkadot and Kusama. Polkadot and Kusama have become the first blockchains to enable multi-chain NFTs, following a key update to its consensus mechanism. The update, which enables support for NFTs on the cross-consensus message format, XCM, will make it possible for the non-fungible tokens to be teleported from one chain to another, and then tracked across chains. Polkadot announced the update via Twitter, and discussed the technical specifics in a post on GitHub. The Polkadot blockchain is ideally suited to implement such a capability, as its whole premise is to solve the problem of a lack of interoperability among blockchains. Polkadot is an extensive network that comprises not only its main blockchain but also paired chains, of which there will eventually be 100. The paired chains all support different use cases and protocols and run in parallel with the main Polkadot chain, with the key advantage being that it's possible to transfer any asset, token or data between them. Kusama, meanwhile, is a public pre-production environment for Polkadot that allows developers to experiment and test new blockchains or applications before releasing them on the network. Like Polkadot, Kusama also has many paired chains. XCM is a format that describes how messages between chains should be performed. It's designed to be a common language for communicating between different consensus mechanisms, wherein all of the data on a message bursts. Even so, since both the token and the network are doing well currently, the lack of participation might not be a trigger for a relapse. DOT can continue to rise or at the very least, consolidate around its current position. The reason a relapse is likely to occur is that the overall volatility is presently at its lowest point in over 16 months, ref. Polkadot volatility image. This will keep the price swings under control. But DOT inching so close to $23.21, the altcoin will have the opportunity to flip it into resistance. Such a price action will allow it to recover all of 2022's losses. There are payment systems like Bitcoin, developer blockchains like Ethereum, and then there is Polkadot, the multi-chain network that has ranked among the top 10 crypto projects since 2020. It's been called the Ethereum killer, leading innovation platform, and Internet of Blockchains. With over $1.2 billion of value locked and a $20 million market cap, DOT's numbers show some truth to these names. But if you ask any Polkadot investor, hardly any of them can explain what it does. To understand why Polkadot is essential for the future of blockchains, let's start by its formal definition. Polkadot is a blockchain with heterogeneous multi-chain and translation architecture. It allows interoperability, scalability, and innovation for Layer 1 blockchains. What makes Polkadot confusing for starters is its uniqueness. Unlike Ethereum or Bitcoin, Polkadot doesn't have smart contract features. The essence of DOT is the central relay chain. It provides infrastructure able to support up to 100 other blockchains at once. Security, governance, and cross-chain communication technology. All blockchains that connect to Polkadot can communicate with each other, known as paired chains. Communication was a big unsolved problem in crypto, as it limits the applications and mass adoption. But DOT's interoperability allows paired chains to transfer any data or assets with ease. The DOT technology in a nutshell. Thanking those who have made a contribution so far, Bornyakov tweeted. Each and every helmet and vest bought via crypto donations is currently saving Ukrainian soldiers' lives. Donations near $100 million according to a live dashboard by Merkle Science, cryptocurrencies worth $93 million, have now been donated to Ukraine, but contributions have slowed down substantially over the past week. Over half of these funds have gone directly to the government's official crypto wallets, with $16 million pledged to Come Back Alive, a local volunteer group. The dashboard suggests that 40% of the crypto donated was denominated in Ether, with 30% in Bitcoin. Binance Coin and DOT represent about 7% each, with the rest consisting of altcoins with a smaller market cap. Crypto exchanges have also been taking action. Shortly after the invasion began, Binance, which owns CoinMarketCap, announced it was donating $10 million to the humanitarian effort. Last week, the trading platform also pledged $2.5 million to UNICEF, with its founder Changping Zhao saying on March 6. The rate at which this conflict is escalating has shocked the world. To think just over a week ago Ukraine's children were laughing, playing, attending school, and now we're hearing of child casualties, thousands forced to flee or take shelter. It's heartbreaking. This week, Kraken announced that it was giving $1,000 in Bitcoin to every Ukrainian user who had opened an account before March 9, alongside a further $1,000 in credits, to ensure conversions can be made with no fees. The exchange said the BTC could be withdrawn immediately, and it was designed to help those who may have been displaced by the fighting. Overall, this aid package is said to be worth over $10 million, and the company says that the total donated will match the revenues derived from Russian users over the first half of 2022. It comes as satellite images suggest that Russian troops are beginning to edge closer to Kyiv, the Ukrainian capital. Soldiers have been accused of actively firing at residential areas, and intense fighting has also been reported in other major cities. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot N 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.